Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit chat on your Snapchats. Snapchat has announced several new features coming to this platform and one of the highlights is message editing options as like WhatsApps. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel and want more up-to-date related tech, then please subscribe my YouTube channel first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, if you are an Android user, go to your Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, go to your App Store. And in the search bar, type here Snapchat. And make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first. Just wait for a moment to update it first. Now after updating your app, go back. Now open your Snapchat. Go to your message option. Now select the person you want to chat with it or edit his chat. Now if you want to edit this chat, here how you can be able to edit your message app. Firstly, select the chat you want to edit it. Just long press at the chat and on the bottom you can see a third option, edit chat. This function is currently available only for the Snapchat Plus users, but very soon this feature will be available for the all Snapchat users. And like this, you can easily edit your chat at your Snapchats. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you do like so, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.